If you want to know how to make a slow motion in Godot, this is the video for you. So let's go to the video. First, inside our game we add a timer. We put the timer to wherever we want and auto start and one shot. Then we connect the timeout signal to our script. We here don't have a script yet, so let's add one. And then we connect the timeout signal to our script. And then inside the signal we do engine.timescale equals 0.04 or 5, where 0 is the slowest and 1 is the normal speed. And there it is. Also, if you want to know how to make a ball bounce, watch this video. Thank you.